Hello everybody, tomorrow's live stream's cancelled, I'm too scared. Nah, I'm only joking. How are we all? Well, I'm not sure whether this is going up today or tomorrow, it depends if I can get it edited. I've got a dog messing around because I just pressed record as normal. Yeah, we've got loads of washing and tumble drying and getting all the lads' clothes dry before he gets back. So I thought I'd do a video, what should I do? And I thought I'd do Too Good To Go. Actually being a nutter. I've never ever done it before. I've seen mixed reviews about what's what and all that stuff. And our city's not very a big city, so there isn't a lot of options. But I've chose a few different shops. I've got 5 bags altogether. 5. So let me tell you what I've got. Actually, I'll put a screenshot up. I've got, first of all, I've got the Co-op, which is a lunch hot food, £2. Don't know, sausage rolls, pasties, ain't got a clue. And then we've got Morrisons. I ordered 2 from Morrisons. And then, just as I finished ordering, another one come in at Morrisons, so I've ordered that. So I've got 3 from Morrisons. So my first one is, let me find it. Is Morrisons Grocery Supplies. Surprise. Which is probably fruit and veg in it, that's all that's going to be. And if that's all that is, I could put it in a casserole or something, can't I? We'll see, I don't know what they are. That was £3.09. And then I've got, come on. And then I've got Morrisons Calf. I've got 2 at Morrisons Calf. I've got 1, where is it? 1 is cakes and sandwiches, £2.49. Don't know. If it's cakes, Natalie eat the cakes anyway, so that ain't a problem for £2.49. And then this is the one that come in from Morrisons, which is one surprise, hot food, £2.49. So I've got them as well, for £2.49. While I'm up there, I thought I'd get it. See what you get with the hot food. And then I've gone to the beloved Greggs. Greggs is one cold food evening, £2.59p. Now, I've done that Greggs video the other day, I didn't like it at all, but I thought for £2.50, see what you get and see what it's like. All different times. I'm going to go to the Co-op first. That's up between 2:30 and 3, I think it is, or something. Then I can't do the others till later on. So I think it's 5 till 6:30 or something. So I don't know whether I'll get the video uploaded, if you get what I mean. So it might go up after tomorrow's live stream. Unless it goes up tonight and you'll know them, whichever way, won't you? Yeah, so we'll go to the Co-op. We'll get the hot dinner, hot lunch. We'll see what that's like, and then I'll show you the rest after I've got it all. And it'll all come to, what was it, 12? How much did it all come to altogether? Let me just show you. £12.66 for 5 bags. So see what we get for £12.66. Right, off to the Co-op in a minute. Challenge. Don't know what it is. She's ordered it. From, I don't know where from, for me. From what? Hong Kong. Wahi Hong. So obviously some Chinese stuff for me, the tin challenge that I've got to do on the live stream. I don't know what it is, but she says I'm going to be sick. And I've just had Morrisons cancelled on the calf. I'm not happy with that now. I've got to go all the way up to Morrisons in a bit now, just to get this one, which I weren't really interested in. Just the grocery stuff and that. I could probably cancel it, but I've just got my coat, so I'm ready to go up, what's it called? The Co-op. But yeah, Morrisons Calf's the hot food one, and the cake and one and that cancelled. I ain't got to pick it up for another 3 hours, so how do they know they're going to have no stuff left? But anyway, I'm going up the Co-op now. I can't take you with me because it's started to rain. So I'll see you in a minute. Right, and we're back from the Co-op. don't forget this one was £2. So let me know what you think. I think it's worth it for £2. I've got 4 items. I've got veggie samosas. I think there's 2 or 3 in there. 1, 2, 3. 3 in there. Vegetable samosas. They're usually priced at £1.50. I've got Co-op sausage and... Oh, there it is. Co-op sausage and... Co-op sausage and... it was £1.70. Don't know what it is. Sausage and what? Maybe beans. Oh, there it is. Sausage, beans and cheese slice. Then we've got a sausage roll. That was £1.60. And then we've got a cheese and onion slice. That was £1.70, 60p. So all in all, for them few, yeah, for £2, you know what I mean? Some nice little snacks for you. Now, you want a cheese and onion slicey, Bab? From the Co-op? Or a veggie samosa? Or a sausage and? Or a sausage roll? The lad will probably have a sausage roll. Yeah, that ain't bad, is it? Let's try one of these veggie samosas. We ain't ordered the workman, have we? No? Workman's just turned up. Yeah, you get 3 of these, only small. Don't buy much from the Co-op because it is quite expensive, isn't it? Do like a samosa though. Nice little snack, warmed up for a couple of minutes in the air fryer. They'd be bang on. Yeah. Want this cheese and onion slicey, Bab?
Yeah, does it need warming up though?
No, it's warm. It's just come out the hot plate thing. Give you your opinion on it. Well, cleaning up, haven't we? Do the washing on the side, guys, look. That's why I can't really do any cooking.
Quite late, I have to do, yeah. As long as it's done full.
Well, that's upset me with that Morrisons, mate. Because I know from that grocery one, I'm just going to get, I know it's going to be fruit and veg, isn't it? Show them, Bab, you've got to show them, sweetheart. Nice.
Quite nice.
There you go then, for £2.
Ain't bad, is it?
Ain't bad for £2, is it?
Got them as well.
Yeah, sausage and bean and a sausage roll. Right, now I'll wait till Morrisons to the good old...
Quite like that pastry as well.
Light shining there. I'll wait till Morrisons to the good old fruit and veg. That's all it's going to be. Might get some potatoes out of it if I'm lucky.
Very
Yeah, nice.
I like that one.
For the money. There you go. That's just it, that. And she said...
It's really nice.
Really nice.
I do like that. Really
Because it's better than Greggs, didn't you?
Nice bar. I don't know if I'd pound up
170 for it.
60p.
Well, for 60p. Obviously, you can't pick and choose, can you? But you know what I mean. Even if you went up there yourself and they got them on sale, because I got them on sale there, you ain't got to use the thing.
I really enjoyed that. That's really nice.
She really enjoyed it.
Very nice.
Very nice, she said. Next one, Morrisons. Just got back. Been pouring down with rain here. I don't know, it's like everywhere else, everyone else. I can see oranges and I can see bananas. I don't know what else is in there. Let's open it up and let's have a quick look, eh? Let me show you. So I've got no lights in out or anything. That's what's in the bag. Oh, easy peelies there. Some easy peelies. Nat likes these, so they'll be alright for Natalie, I think. You like your easy peelies, don't you, Bab? Yeah, Nat likes easy peelies. Caesar salad. Was 150, now 112, 12th for March. That's them. About 100 bananas. Very ripe bananas. I do like a banana, but I don't like all them. Apple and raspberry, apple and strawberries. Oh, guys. Loaf of bread. I've got loads of bread. Few baps. You laughing at? Rubbish, ain't it? Blueberries, don't even like blueberries. Do you like blueberries?
No.
And apples. Pears.
Pears.
Well, I think that is...
They're all mouldy at the bottom. Oh, doesn't it? Oh, that's got some brown bits up
Yeah,
there.
it's... Yeah, Bab, what do you think? No? No, I wouldn't waste my time with that, would you?
No. How much did you pay?
The roll is £3.9. I wouldn't even eat them. Blake might eat them because he likes stuff like that, doesn't he? I don't think no one in the house likes blueberries, do they?
No.
I like bananas, but I ain't going to eat all them that quick. You like easy peelies. Salad kit can go on a sandwich, couldn't it, with some ham or something? The burger buns will probably get et.
Oh, Damien eat them.
Yeah, Damien eat them with cheese and that. When they have cheese, burger buns and that. The bread, it can just go in the freezer, can't it? And the pears, I won't eat them. I don't know if you're going to eat them.
I'll have a look at the others.
So for £3.9p for that,
No.
I wouldn't, would you?
I wouldn't.
It's the lucky dip, innit?
Yeah, I wouldn't feed that.
It's a lucky dip, innit? I wouldn't £3.9, but I didn't really want that one. I wanted the calf one. But because the one calf one was there, I thought I'd order that while I was there, but then the other calf one come in, if you get what I mean. But then they both cancelled, so I was left with that. I only got it because I was up there, that's all. But yeah, that's that one. I don't think that's one. Is it worth the £3.9? I wouldn't even say it is worth the £3.9. I mean, how much? That's Morrisons own bread. What's that, about 50p?
Oh, you know what to do with them? Bananas.
Banana bread.
Banana bread.
They're selling about £1, 6 of them, Warburtons.
Oh, I might like some.
Bananas, I mean, they're very ripe, ain't they? They're probably talking £1 for the pair of them. That's like £2.50. I mean, them. I don't see why people buy them. You might as well just buy an apple or something, mightn't you? You've probably got about £4 worth of stuff in date. Maybe your oranges, yeah, and your oranges. But yeah, nah. I wouldn't. That's the lucky draw on that one. The rubbish one. Never mind. I've got one more to do in an hour. Which is the Greggs, which I'm not holding much hope for that either. But yeah, it's a bit of a disappointing video really because I wanted to do the calf, but never mind that. See you when I get the Greggs. And we're back from Greggs. And by the looks of the bag, it might be the best one yet. The bag looks really full. Now it's not the Greggs I went to last time when I done a video. We've got two in the town, one round the corner from each other. It's the other one. So let's see. Yeah, let's see what we got. Right then, there's the other stuff in the bag there, look, and that's had a couple of oranges. So what we got here then first? Let's open these up. Oh, I think this is going to be one for you, Bab. Nat loves them. I think this is going to be one for our Natalie, this bag. She's going to fill her boots with these, I think. There's loads of stuff in here. Donuts and all. Oh, we've got some more fruit, some melon. You like melon? And grapes, there. Look at all this in here. How much did this cost me? More sausage rolls, look. We've got... Is that a chicken tikka? by the looks of things. There's a label on it. Tandoori chicken baguette. I'm glad I've got some because I ain't had any tea. Because I was hoping to get some from that cat. Oh, Nat, this is definitely for you. We've got a ham salad. Honey roast ham salad. Oh, dropped it. Oh. Look at all this. Oh, yeah, Bab.
I've never had it.
Oh, and you got 2 lots of them. Look at them. Look at all that from Greggs. How much was that now? I can't remember. It was only a couple of quid, weren't it? Weren't a lot. Where's it gone? Let me find it. £2.59p. Cold food. There's loads of money's worth there, ain't there?
That's not bad actually, is it?
It's really good. I mean, them were £3.30 each.
Yeah, they're quite expensive.
Well, it was because I had one the other day and it was £3.30, weren't it? They're about £3 quid, ain't they? Because you probably get 1 3 when you buy a pack, don't you, or something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
They're about £3 quid because 90p a donut, ain't they?
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
And this is all stuff for you, Bab, this is.
I've never tried one of them, you know.
Ain't you? Do you want to try one now?
No, not really, thank you. I was just,
And them, they're nice. Be nice in the air fryer to warm up them.
I've just had a couple more oranges.
Wow. Yes, guys. Well done, Greggs, for that one. That one is well worth it for £2.59. Even if the sandwiches aren't the best, but them ones don't look too bad actually. And they look quite fresh as well. Not all the other ones had where they had to eat them. They look alright. Greggs is 100% thumbs up from me. The Co-op is 100% thumbs up from me. Even though with the Co-op you can, I think I saved about 20p at the Co-op. Something like that. Even at the Co-op you can go and get, just pop in and get the short dated stuff, couldn't you, like the hot thing. 60p each or 50p each, whatever it was, something like that. Morrisons. See, I wouldn't have minded Morrisons if, why have they just give you all fruit? Why don't they mix them? Because someone's probably got all veg. If I'd have had some veg, so I could put it in a casserole, then it might have been worth the money. But with that, you know, if they mixed and matched it a little bit, then you'd be fine. Yeah, am I going to do it again? The Greggs one I probably will, for a couple of quid. It's worth a gamble, isn't it? Morrison's one I'm not, because they let me down with a calf. And the Co-op one, if I was getting 3 or 4 items, I probably would. If you wanted from as a snack for dinner time for you. Not Morrison's, Co-op. Co-op I would. Otherwise, I just pop up and get some. But it depends what you got in your area, doesn't it? So all in all, I'm going to have to try and edit this video now for you, see if I can get it up tonight. It's 7:15 now, so I'll probably get it up for about 8, hopefully. Yeah, let me know if you've had Too Good To Go and what you think of it. I think that Greggs, well done Greggs for that. I will give you a 5-star for that because there's loads, ain't there? You're shattered, Bab.
Oh, so tired today.
Bless you. Well, you'll hear a lot of screaming tomorrow, won't you? So you better get your rest.
About that.
I ain't. I think I'm coming down with a bit of the flu. I might have to have a couple of days. Oh dear. Oh, Bab, I'm poorly. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I know it's a bit of a mess around video. We just had too much to do. So until the live stream tomorrow, I will get this up tonight. It's just going to be late. See you later. Bye-bye.